Good morning, students. Welcome to another session of JK students. Today we will start our new lesson number 23, the TION words. Now let us start question answer session. The following clues are given for words which end in TION. Can you name the words? First question. The injection of vaccines into the body is known as vaccination. Vaccination is the administration of a vaccine to help the immune system develop protection from a disease. Vaccines contain a microorganism or virus in a weak, live or kill state or proteins or toxins from the organism. In stimulating the body's adaptive immunity, they help prevent sickness from an infectious disease. Example: after the introduction of the vaccination, we were able to effectively eradicate smallpox. Next question. The feeling of respect and liking is known as admiration. The root of the word admiration is admire, which means to regard with wonder or approval. People can receive admiration for many reasons, including their beauty, hard work, or intelligence. For example, your admiration of a favorite teacher includes an awareness of how much he or she helped you. Example: she was cool, confident, funny, and worthy of admiration. Next question. Moving cartoons in sequence is known as animation. Animation is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as moving images. In traditional animation, images are drawn or painted by hand or transparent celluloid sheets to be photographed and exhibited on film. Today, most animations are made with computer generated imagery. Computer animations can be very detailed 3D animation, while 2D computer animation can be used for stylistic reasons, low bandwidth, or faster real time renderings. Next question. Related to movement is known as locomotion. Locomotion means the act or ability of an entity or person to transport or move oneself from place to place. In a general sense, locomotion simply means active movement or travel, not only of biological individuals. In biology, locomotion is a self powered movement of limbs or other anatomical parts which an individual moves itself from place to place. Example: forms of locomotion are walking, running, crawling, climbing, swimming, and flying. Next question. Determination to achieve success is known as admiration. Sorry, ambition. Ambition means a strong desire to do or achieve something or desire and determination to achieve success. Example: her ambition was to become a pilot. Next question. Restore to normal life is known as rehabilitation. The action of restoring someone to health or normal life through training and therapy after imprisonment, addiction, or illness. Example: she underwent rehabilitation and was walking within 3 weeks. Next question. An invented idea or statement is known as Invention. An invention is a unique or novel device, method, composition, or process. The invention process is a process within an overall engineering and product development process. It may be an improvement upon a machine or product or a new process or creating an object or a result. Example, the invention of printing in the 15th century. Next question. The part of something is known as portion. Example, a very large portion of our income goes to pay the mortgage. Next question. People living in country is known as population. In sociology, population refers to collection of humans. Population, in simpler terms, is the number of people in city or town, region, country or world. Example, population is usually determined a process called census. Next question. The area inside the entrance of an office or hotel is known as reception. A reception area is a section of your office or hotel space that is used to greet all visitors and to provide a waiting area for them until they are met by the person that they came to meet with. Example, her sister waited in the reception room, sipping tea and flipping through a magazine. Next question. A way to solving problem is known as solution. It means of solving a problem or dealing with a difficult situation. Example, I have a solution that might work. Next question. The acting the act printing books is known as registration. It means the act or process of entering information about something in a book or system of public records, or the act or process of entering names on an official list. Example, I just want to see your registration cards for March 4th. Next question. Work of people to earn money is known as occupation. A person's usual or principal work or business, especially as a means of earning a living. Example, he is thinking about changing occupations and becoming a police officer. Fun fact, the word with names, namely. Now, students, let us go our new lesson. Lesson number 24, sports terms. Match the following sports terms with related game. Deuce is the term related tennis, which is option C. In sports like tennis and ping pong, a deuce is a tie. One player must score two consecutive points to break the deuce and win. Next term, bully is related to hockey, which is option D. The term bully is related to field hockey. It refers to the set play that is used to restart the game, similar to drop ball in soccer, from where the infringement took place. Two opposing players stand facing each other and tap each other's sticks and the ground three times. All other players must be at least 16 feet away until the ball goes into play. Next term, next term leg by related game cricket, which is option F. In the sport of cricket, a leg by is a run scored by the batting team if the batsman has not hit the ball with their bat, but the ball has hit the batsman's body or protective gear. It is covered by the Law 23 of the Laws of Cricket. Butterfly is related to swimming, which is option H. It is a swimming stroke swim on the chest with both arms moving symmetrically, accompanied by the butterfly kick. While other styles like breaststroke, front crawl, or backstroke can be swum adequately by beginners, the butterfly is a more difficult stroke that requires good techniques as well as strong muscles. It is the newest swimming style swum in competition, first swum in 1933 and originating out of the breaststroke. Target is a term related archery, which is option B. Target games are activities in which players send an object toward a target while avoiding any obstacles. By playing these games, participants will learn the key skills and strategies for games such as croquet, golf, archery, bocce, curling, and bowling. Hook is the term related boxing, which is option I. A hook is a type of shot inside power punch. The fighter bends their elbow and swings from the side, usually aiming for the liver, temple, jaw, or ribs of his opponent. The arm bent at the elbows forms a hook, therefore giving it its name. Snatch is the term related weightlifting, which is option J. The snatch is the first of two lifts contested in the sport of weightlifting, followed by the clean and jerk. The objective of the snatch is to lift the barbell from the ground to overhead in one continuous motion. There are four main styles of snatch used: squat snatch, split snatch, power snatch, and muscle snatch. The squat snatch and split snatch are the most common styles used in competition, while power snatch and muscle snatch are mostly used for training purposes. Throw in is the term related to football, which is option E. The throw in is taken from the point where the ball crossed the touch line, either on the ground or in the air. Though typically a referee will tolerate small discrepancies between the position where the ball crossed the touch line and the position of the throw-in. The throw-in is taken by the opponents of the player who last who last touched the ball before it crossed the touch line. Next term, pivot, which is related to basketball, which is option A. When you are stationary on the court, the rule says you can move one foot around as long as the other foot remains planted on the floor. This is called pivoting, and all players must know how to pivot. There are two types of pivots: the forward pivot and the reverse pivot. In a forward pivot, the player pivots forward, while in a reverse pivot, the player pivots backward. Dummy is related bridge, which is option G. Bridge is a trick tracking card game using a standard 52 card deck. In its basic format, it is played by four players in two competing partnerships, with partners sitting opposite each other around a table. In bridge, the dummy is the hand of declares partner, and after opponents have tabled their opening lead, dummy is placed face up on the table or for all to see. Declare calls for the card he needs from the board and his partner plays it from the dummy. Fun fact: Pommel horse is used in gymnastics. Now, students, we will meet our next section. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.